Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable comments in SharePoint and Microsoft Lists. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your browser and navigate to your Microsoft List link. You'll need to log into your account using your credentials to access your lists and their settings. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard with all your available lists. From your dashboard, go ahead and click on the specific list where you want to manage the comment settings. This will open up that particular list and display all the items within it. Managing comments is useful because it gives you control over whether team members can leave feedback or discussions directly on list items, which can either encourage collaboration or keep things more streamlined depending on your needs. Now look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This is your settings hub where you can access all the configuration options for your list. The gear icon is typically located near your profile picture and is the gateway to customizing how your list functions. From the drop-down menu that appears, click on List Settings. This will take you to a detailed settings page where you can modify various aspects of your list, including permissions, columns, views, and advanced features. This page is where all the important configuration happens. Once you're on the settings page, look for and click on Advanced Settings. This section contains more technical options that control specific behaviors of your list, including versioning, content types, and importantly for this tutorial, comment functionality. These advanced options give you deeper control over how your list operates. Now scroll down through the advanced settings page until you find the section labeled Comments. This is where the comment functionality is controlled. Take your time scrolling through because there are several options on this page, and the comments section is usually located towards the middle or bottom. Right beside the comments section, you'll see the option that says Allow comments on list items. Next to this label, you'll notice two radio buttons labeled Yes and No. These buttons determine whether users can add, view, and interact with comments on individual list items within your list. To enable or disable comments, simply click on the appropriate radio button. If you want to allow team collaboration and discussions on list items, select Yes. If you prefer to keep your list cleaner without comment threads or want to restrict feedback, select No. The choice depends entirely on how you want your team to interact with the list. After making your selection, make sure to scroll down and click the Save button at the bottom of the page to apply your changes. Your comment settings will now be updated according to your preference. And that's it. You've successfully configured the comment settings for your Microsoft list, giving you better control over team collaboration and feedback options. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.